Hello everyone, how's it going? Scrembo here from Emotional Crypto Trading. I would like to welcome you to my new video related to Solana price analysis and technical details. We're talking about a cryptocurrency that's located ranked number 9 on CoinMarketCap. In the past 24 hours, we are up by 2.1%. Meanwhile, the global crypto market cap is up just by 1.6%. So Solana is doing slightly better what the average market is doing. And this is just great. Comparing to BTC, which is up by 0.65, we're much higher than that. Let's go into the details, folks, and talk about a 4-hour representation. Because we have here a structure of accumulation, which is usually appearing at a time we have lots of high volume traders buying into the market, accumulating on a low leverage, if we're talking about futures and derivatives, or they purchase a bunch of spot. So in the way the whole picture looks like is you've got here a current level of support zone with great reactions. This current level of support zone is between 34.6 and 37.5. Any number out of this sector on a confirmation is going to represent a decent signal. A signal which is supposed to be confirmed afterwards. However, if we tend to follow what does the market shows, and if the bulls are about to get into domination again, we need to talk about potential levels located on $47, potential levels located around $60. So this is basically where you have a median zone, you have a major top zone. But at the same time, there is a trending resistance line that is going to be with us. For example, right now it sits at $52. So the more time we got into, for example, already at, let's say if the line continues, right, which is something that I must do, on 10th of September, it's going to be at $55. I'm not saying we need a time until 10th of September. It's, about more than 2 weeks. It's about 3 weeks until that. Plenty of time. However, things can skyrocket just like they did in the past. Easily 44%. Look at that in 6 days. 44%. If you give me from here 44% in 6 days, I'm going to be happy. If you give me 44% from here, I'm going to be extremely happy. You're going to push the markets close to 51. Whether you find resistance at that time and you pull back afterwards towards our previous resistance median zone current support. So if you want to push up, right, and then you pull back, basically you stay here for 3 to 4 days and you continue to your 60s, which is the major zone, which also continues, guys. So do not think about this thing is not going to continue afterwards. It will definitely continue to much higher levels. So in this case scenario, it's obvious. Markets will have a lot of the room for the bulls to take into action and push the markets up. They want to grab liquidities. There's liquidity at 70, 72, 74 right here in the tops, right there basically. So that's going to be at least a decent deal at the end of the day to push right before the end of the year. So we can talk about month number 9, month number 10, September, October, November, December are not going to be, at least November is not going to be the easiest month for crypto. So until November, we got to do the push and the pump that is expected in the space. So this is the current situation for Solana on 4-hour candlesticks. Much shorter term discussion is going to take place tomorrow. Today is 25th of August. That's pretty much all related to this. Make sure you do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. For those of you which value education and think that in life you can achieve success by working hard and getting yourself educated and skilled in the field, feel free to check out scrembocoaching.com, my page describing how the coaching that is one-to-one directly with me between 4 to 6 weeks, intense and private, is working, is functioning. You can find out more on the page, and you can also have a free conversation with me at 15 minutes as well. Register now for more information, and I'll get back to you on your email. On the other side, if you want to follow my trades, if you want to be part of the movements, what do I trade for myself? We can trade for you as well through API, no upfront fees. It's just commission out of the pure profits we make. That's all. Simple commission after profits are made. This is all. On the left side of the page, we have our trading performance documented since September 2017. And then on the right side of the page, you have instructions on how you can join and how the commissions are working. So this is pretty much all, folks. This page is scrembocoaching.com/today. Both links can be found in the description area and comments area. That's all, folks. Have a good time. Subscribe, hit the like button, and enjoy the day.